and Jen. Last week, we got a first look at the Avenue, a new fifth wheel from Alliance RV, and explored the Henry Ford Museum, where we saw some of the coolest pieces from manufacturing history. This week, we're back home in Maryland, enjoying the weather and getting some much-needed work done on the RV. Hey guys, we are back home in Maryland, and it's been a few days since we've been home. And so this afternoon it's been really nice in Maryland, actually a little on the warm side if anything, but it was too nice not to go outside today. So I just got off a little bit ago and we decided to do a little hike with the dogs. So we're doing about a 2-mile hike this afternoon, and it's just so nice because the sun stays out so late now. Like, I think it doesn't set till like 8:30. So we're just enjoying the warm weather, getting a little bit of exercise in.
One of the big reasons we wanted to do this too is because you may have seen on Matt's channel, Matt's RV Reviews, that we're doing like a group weight loss challenge. So like one of the big things that we noticed, so Matt and I both used to be a lot thinner. I used to be about 100 pounds thinner. And that was like around the time Jen and I got married. And then especially over the last like 6-9 months, since we've been helping Matt a lot more and traveling a lot, we noticed that like we've been putting on a lot of weight because we're eating out a lot, and which obviously catches up to you. So we just wanted to promote some healthier lifestyle activities and work on losing some weight over the next 60 days. But it's really just, again, about promoting a healthier life and not just these 60 days. So we're trying to get into some better routines, and this is one thing we thought about, right, Jen?
Yeah, and this hiking is nice because you get your exercise in, but like you don't notice it as much. Like I know when we're hiking, I don't think as much about the fact that I'm exercising. I just like enjoy the nature you're seeing and just like being outside. So this is the kind of stuff that I'm trying to incorporate more into life, is like
fun.
Healthy activities that
healthy
are fun.
fun.
So that's what we're doing. Another cool thing about these trails that we're on right now is that it's literally like a 5-minute drive from our house. So it's super easy just to come down here and do a little hike in the afternoon or something. We don't have to drive too far.
Okay, so this trail said that it led to the water. So we've been so excited to get to the water. We've been dealing with these bugs, these horseflies, spider webs and everything. Check out this beautiful view of the swamp.
Oh, look at them. Look how tangled they are. You guys see
They're
this?
crazy. We need
That's why
to
we
train
need
our
all
dogs
different
better.
color leashes so we can separate them.
Okay, you ready?
Now, what are you doing? Huh? So I don't know if you guys can see, but way out there is actually an osprey nest. And I don't know if it's like a thing in a lot of states on the East Coast, but we have them a lot in Maryland where they set them up because we do have a lot of ospreys. So they kind of set them up so that they have a place to build their nest on.
It looks like that one might have a camera on it too. They put a lot of cameras on them so they can watch them and monitor.
The live stream.
Yeah.
Oh, the flies are getting Will.
They're really annoying.
You actually look very like scary from this angle.
Huh?
You look really scary from this angle.
Do I?
Yeah. Never doing this hike again unless we bring bug spray, right?
Yeah, that'd be too smart for us to think about.
No. You know, start of summer, going into the forest. Wouldn't have thought about bringing bug spray.
So we are on our way home now, and we're just gonna kind of take it easy tonight. Jen just told me she's making steak fajitas.
Yeah.
So that'll be good. And then I think we'll probably both get a quick shower because we feel like we got ticks and bugs and spider webs all over us.
And this weekend I think we're gonna go back and work on the RV some. So continue laying floors. I'd really like to make a lot of progress with the floors, possibly get them done.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
We're gonna try to make a whole day out of it on Saturday. I just realized I'm off on Monday.
Are you?
Memorial Day, I think.
That's right. Monday is Memorial Day.
Well, what do you guys think?
She says, Mommy, you have to understand that I'm extra furry, so I get extra hot.
Aww.
It's an RV reno day again. So last time our goal was to finish the bedroom up there, the master bedroom area, and I think that took longer than we thought.
Well, flooring is what
the flooring, sorry.
is, yeah.
Yep. That's what we're trying to get finished, as the flooring and everything. Obviously, we didn't get everything done in there last time, so maybe that's like a new goal for today.
Yeah, I would love, and I know I'm probably not being realistic, but I would love to finish the flooring in this RV today. So that's what my goal is working on that, trying to get that done. And Will's actually going to be washing the RV today because we were in much need of a wash. I don't know if you guys saw in our last RV reno video, I'll link that up there. But we kind of showed you guys how dirty the outside is because it just sits under these trees. And so he's gonna work on washing it and getting it all clean today, which will be so nice just to see it all the crap that's sitting on it off. And so he'll be on the outside, I'll be on the inside working on the flooring. And so hopefully we can knock a lot out today. Yeah. I'm hopeful.
Okay, I got the first 2 rows done, so it is time for the most satisfying part, which will be the rinse. I'm actually surprised because in the past I've always pressure washed, and I feel like I'm actually getting it cleaned better this time, which I was not expecting. So you can definitely see color transformation, either that or it's just dirtier. Then I'm just in denial about how dirty it is. But you can see the difference. Let's see if it'll show up on camera. Even before the rinse, you can definitely see the difference. And then let's do the best part, that rinse. At some point, I might hire somebody to do a really nice, thorough job, and maybe then it'll be perfect. But for now, just trying to keep it clean, keep it maintained, and, reasonable maintenance that I can keep up with. So I will send you guys back down to Jen. We'll check in on her.
I have been working on the floors. I haven't really made much progress because I'm working on this curve right here, and I'm admittedly not the best. I know that there's a really good way to scribe a custom cut, but I'm not that good at it, honestly. Oh my god, no! So this piece I've been working on for 20 to 30 minutes, got it perfect. And I just realized that it doesn't have a groove on it, so I can't attach another piece of flooring to it. So it was all a waste of time. Okay, actually everything's okay because I found another piece that I was trying to do that with originally, and I was able to make it work by just like shaving a little bit more off of it. So finally got that piece done, and now I can actually continue. It has been a long day, guys, and we weren't really here for all day, but it was like a long, tiring 4 hours. So I did finish the bedroom, which is really exciting. That was a big chunk left of the flooring that's done. So pretty much all that's left is the bathroom, which is a small space, but I know it's going to be annoying because it's going to be a bunch of like little intricate cuts. So I'm not getting too psyched up for that or anything.
How's it going in here?
Not bad. I finished the bedroom.
Did you?
Yeah. You
Good
want to see it?
Yeah, let's take a look. Looks pretty good.
So nice seeing it like all done from this view.
Very nice. You want to see the cleaning job?
Yeah. This looks so good. I was wondering if like over here, the white decals were like so dirty, and I was afraid because it had been so long since it was washed good that it was like not gonna like fully come out, but it literally looks like brand new, like when we bought it.
It does actually.
So,
cleaned up nice.
It's actually like exciting to see it all clean, so it just makes me want to like get it done so we can use
Right.
it. So I feel like we made good progress today. I like it more when we can like work together on one thing, but we just really needed to give it a wash, and today was like sunny and nice, so it was like perfect to do that.
My truck. Good boy, we love you.
You wanna go with me?
Oh, what?
Jump all the way up.
You jumped all the way in, yeah.
Tucker, yeah. Oh, did you have fun today? Come here. Come here. Oh, poor baby. Are you tired? You tired, baby? Alright, we're gonna go home. Tucker's pooping. Don't show it. Don't show it. This is my swamp. Jeez, the flies. And then you can't like have a conversation next to this thing.